Hi everyone, myself Linga Reddy. In this session we discuss allotropic form of phosphorus. It's very important for competitive point of view, and they asked last previous year questions, JEE questions. So white phosphorus and red phosphorus and black phosphorus. So three types of allotropic forms is there. First we will discuss the white phosphorus. So the first one is white phosphorus. So here the white phosphorus. So first we'll discuss preparation of white phosphorus. The preparation of white phosphorus. So here the phosphate rock react with silicon dioxide. So what is the formula of phosphate rock? Calcium C3P4 and 2 times and 6 SiO2 and heating with at high temperature, that means 1773 Kelvin temperature, and here 6 moles of calcium SiO3 plus P4O10 is there. After again this P4O10 reaction with 10 moles of carbon, and at the same temperature the carbon acting as a reducing agent here. So the P4 plus and 10 CO2, 10 CO is forming. This P4 is called white phosphorus. P4 is called white phosphorus. Right. Now we'll discuss what is the properties of white phosphorus. So properties of white phosphorus. So the first thing is here, it is a poisonous. The first priority, it is poisonous. And second thing, when expose the light, white phosphorus, and expose the light, in presence of light here, white phosphorus converted into yellow phosphorus. And next one, very important here, the white phosphorus react with alkaline medium, that is 3 moles of NaOH caustic soda plus and 3 moles of aqua media to give, and here the 3 moles of NaHPO2 plus pH3 is forming. So here oxidation state is here 0 oxidation state, here oxidation state is -1, here -3, here +1. Okay, so here to here oxidation state is increases, so this is oxidation taking place, and here to here oxidation state is decreases, so that is reduction takes place. So this reaction is called, also we can call disproportionation reactions. In a reaction, same element both oxidation and reduction is taking place. That reaction is called disproportionation reactions. Next one, fourth property. The fourth property here, the reaction with halogens. So first one, P4 react with 6 moles of Cl2 and to form a 4Cl3. And next here, this is the A reaction, this is the B reaction. P4 again react with 10 moles of Cl2 and to give a 4 moles of PCl5. So whenever the white phosphorus treated with the halogens, 2 types of halides is forming. One is trihalides, another one is pentahalides. Next one, fifth point here, the the white phosphorus also react with metals. So reaction with metals, the P4 react with magnesium, and we are taking here 6 moles and to form a 2MgP2. And next same white phosphorus react with the 6 moles of calcium to form a 2Ca3PO2. So whenever react with the metals, it's forming metal phosphides. Here magnesium phosphide and calcium phosphides. What is that here? Metal phosphides. Generally we can call metal phosphides. Metal phosphides is forming. Magnesium is there, magnesium phosphide. Next point, between P4 molecule and P4 molecule have between the P4 molecule have weak van der Waals force. Van der Waals force. Weak van der Waals force. So the white phosphorus P4 have low boiling point and melting point. Low boiling point and low boiling point and low melting point. Low melting points. Next property here, seventh one, it is insoluble in water. It is insoluble in water and soluble in organic solvents such as alcohols and ethers, and very important solvent is here carbon disulfide. Next one, whenever it's contact with air, it is undergo slowly combustion and glow in dark. Whenever it is a contact with air, it is in glowing nature. Glows in dark. Next one, P4 structure, how it is there? Formula 4 phosphorus is there, and each phosphorus linked directly like this, and this is this one. And here the bond length between P and P, bond length is 221 picometers. And here the bond angle between here, the bond angle PP bond angle, the bond angle between here 60 degrees. So the bond angle is very less here. The bond angle is very less. So once bond angle is less, so here very important point, bond angle is less, then reactivity is more. Reactivity is more. That due to angle strain, bond angle strain, the bond due to bond angle strain. In P4 each phosphorus have sp3 hybridization. And one more thing here, P4 have four triangles. You will see here the phosphorus like this, and here this is the white phosphorus. How many triangles is there? Here the 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a previous year JEE question. How many triangles are present in white phosphorus? Next one, red phosphorus. Second allotrope, red phosphorus. How it is preparation is there? The red phosphorus. Let us see. Obtained heating white phosphorus. The white phosphorus heating at 573 Kelvin temperature at inert atmosphere, no, without any helium, neon, argon gases, and several days, you will get here the red phosphorus. So this is the preparation of red phosphorus. What is the structure of red phosphorus? It is the polymeric form, and it is not in discrete particle. It is the polymeric form. How it is exist, we will see that. Phosphorus, like this. Like this, it is existing as a polymeric form. So this is the white phosphorus structure. The white phosphorus structure. It is between the two phosphorus. Covalent bond is there. Covalent bond. The nature of bond is here covalent bond. Next point about red phosphorus. It is non-poisonous. It is non-poisonous. Then next one, it is both insoluble in water and organic solvents. It is insoluble in both water and organic solvents. In the case of white phosphorus, we are seeing there it is soluble in organic solvent and insoluble in water, but here it is insoluble in water and as well as organic solvent. That is a poisonous. It is not a poisonous. Very important. Next one, stability, right? The red phosphorus is more stable than white phosphorus. Red phosphorus is more stable than white phosphorus because of the temperature here. It is while heating at high temperature, then only it converts into white to red phosphorus. So relatively thermodynamically, it is red phosphorus is more stable than and white phosphorus. Next, less bond angle strain. Here the bond angle strain is less. And next one, due to next one here, fourth point here, the density. Here it is the red phosphorus is polymeric form. So here the density is red phosphorus is greater than white phosphorus. The density of phosphorus here comparatively here this is greater than that. And the next one, next fifth point here, reactivity. Red phosphorus is less reactive than white phosphorus. The white phosphorus is more reactive. Here more reactive, and then red phosphorus. Next one more important point. This is next one, reaction with halogens. It is reaction with halogens also very reactive. Only at high temperature only its reaction taking place. Generally there we are not using any temperature, but we are using here the temperature 6Cl2 must be your delta symbol, but there in white phosphorus we didn't see that symbol, but here on heating and P4Cl3 then forming, and this is the this is trihalides. Next B reaction, same P4 react with at high temperature and 10 moles of Cl2 gas and heating condition, and we'll get here 4 moles of PCl5. This is the pentachlorides and trichlorides. Whenever high temperature these reactions are taking place. One more important point here, it is does not react with alkaline caustic soda. That means here red phosphorus, this is the red phosphorus, red phosphorus place this NaOH reaction. Here no reaction taking place because of it is less reactive. Less reactive nothing but more stable. Very important. Next one, reaction with oxygen. Reaction with P4 react with 5 moles of O2 at high temperature, 565 Kelvin temperature, and it gives P4 O10 it's forming. So this is a reaction with oxygen with the high temperature. Next point, next here, next allotropes, that is third is here black phosphorus. Okay, right. Here these phosphorus are two types. That is, first one is the alpha phosphorus, alpha black phosphorus, and beta black phosphorus. Alpha form and beta form, two forms is there. So first we will see the preparations. The first one is alpha phosphorus. So red phosphorus on heating 453 Kelvin temperature, inert atmosphere pressure, inert atmospheric condition, it is converted into alpha black phosphorus. Right. Next one, beta black phosphorus here, and white phosphorus and heating 473 Kelvin temperature. The pressure is here 4002 and 12,000 per atm pressure we are using here. It is converted into beta black phosphorus. This is the preparations of alpha beta black phosphorus. Here one more important point here, the black phosphorus, beta black phosphorus, it is layered structure. It have a layer structure. Next one here, next second point here, the bond angle between here PP here, the bond angle here, bond angle is here 99 degrees. So what is the bond length here? The PO bond length, bond length is here 218 picometers. It's like a graphite structure. And here it is having layer structure. Between the two layers, what is the distance between the two layers? Between two layers, distance is 368 picometers. We will see the structure here. This is the structure about the black phosphorus. So here the distance between here 99 degrees, and here the bond length between the two phosphorus here 218 picometers, and this is beta black phosphorus. So this is regarding information. We will see the some questions regarding these questions. We will see the some previous year questions. Yes, now we discuss JEE means 2020 online question, January 8th January they are asking. Here the question is white phosphorus. The white phosphorus formula. What is the white phosphorus formula? The P4. The P4 react with reaction with concentrated NaOH. This is a concentrated NaOH in atmosphere. So already we seen the reaction in video. This 3 moles place disproportionate reaction only 2 moles of this one. And what is the forming inert atmosphere? So here inert atmosphere, what is the product is forming here? Disproportionate reaction already we seen here. The pH3 and 3 moles of NaH and NaH2PO2. This is here the white phosphorus reaction with concentrated NaOH solution in atmosphere. In inert atmosphere nothing but absence of CO2. Phosphine, this is the phosphine, and give X compound. This is the X compound. Okay, right? Then X compound on acidified. So what is there here? The acidify with that NaH H2PO2 in acidify with this, that is HCl. You can take acidify here, acidify with HCl to give Y compound. What is that Y compound? The basicity of that Y compound. Just this is replaced by this one coming here and going this, and this is forming with NaCl. So what is the formula here? H3 and PO2 place what is there remains here, NaCl is there. So this is the Y compound. What is the base city? Number of OH minus is called base city here. So in not in base here, it is just here. So C double bond O, the structure of H3PO2, and here this is how many hydrogens is there? 3 hydrogens. How many oxygens is there? 2 oxygens, 1 oxygen over already. Here this is OH. So this is number of OH is equal to basicity. So how many OH is there? Number of H plus ion can release here. So that is called basicity. So basicity is here. The basicity is equal to 1. So this is the answer. Very simple question. This is also asking 2019, the online 10th April. So the number of pentagons in C60 fullerene. Triagens, nothing but triangles in white phosphorus respectively they are asking. So number of hexagons or pentagons is there. The hexagons is 20, the number of pentagons is 12. So number here, the generally the fullerenes, the fullerene nothing but C60. The C60 having here number of pentagons is 20, and sorry, number of pentagons is 12, and here number of pentagons is 12. This is the pentagons. Number of hexagons is 20. So this is hexagons. And triangles P4. The structure of P4 is like this. This is the white phosphorus, right? So number of triangle is 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is number of triangle is here 4. So the answer is 12 and 4 is correct. This is the answer. Very simple question here. The reaction white phosphorus on boiling with alkaline in atmosphere. So what is the formula of white phosphorus? We know that P4 plus react with alkaline medium, nothing but OH minus medium in the aqueous condition, right? So this is 3 moles, and here 3 moles of H2O. That is nothing but disproportionation reactions. Okay, right? Here what is the product is forming? Phosphine plus 3H2O PO2 minus. So the 3O2, that H2PO2 minus reaction with further what they are asking, the formation of A product. This is the A product, and with the excess of AgNO3. So AgNO3 nothing but we can take Ag. Okay, Ag plus ion. You know that AgNO3 is dissociated into Ag plus ion plus NO3 minus ion. So we are taking Ag. So here Ag is acting as a oxidizing agent. Itself will be gaining the electrons. So here the 4 electrons now it's gaining. So 4 electrons means here 4 moles of Ag plus ions in the presence of same H2O medium. So the 2 H2O here, 2 H2O, and what is the formation here? 4 moles of Ag place to form a phosphoric acid, and place 3H plus ion is forming. So how many moles of the required here Ag? That 4 moles. This is the answer. The 4 is correct answer. So this is the regarding this question. This is the information. Thank you for watching this video, and share and like and subscribing. Okay, thank you for watching.